This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account access, and that Facebook allows display name tweaks. This avoids lockouts. Once signed in, open Profile Settings and select Name or Alternate Name fields, because that's where emoji can appear. Make sure your device keyboard supports the exact emoji or combined characters you plan to use. If using desktop, copy emoji from a trusted source and paste into the name field. This step starts the change immediately and prevents character substitution errors later. You now edit the name field. Go to Settings, Personal Information, and choose Name or Add Nickname because Facebook treats nickname fields more flexibly. Paste or type the emoji into the target field. Keep the total character count under Facebook limits so the change can be saved. If combining multiple emoji into one icon, use a zero-width joiner character between them. This preserves the combined glyph rather than separate emojis. Once done, review how it appears on both mobile and desktop views. Finish by saving the name change and entering your password when Facebook asks, because confirmation prevents unauthorized edits. After saving, check your profile from another device to ensure the emoji renders correctly. Different platforms can show variations. If Facebook rejects the update, make a smaller edit. Remove extra emoji, switch to a single glyph, or move it into a nickname field. These steps often bypass automated filters. If you're flagged, revert to a compliant name and appeal with clear ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.